I rode the shortest escalator in the world. Japan is full of escalators. Long escalators, really long escalators, slow escalators, and fast escalators. Just kidding, that was a time lapse. But I really wanted to ride the world's shortest escalator. I found this one in Hamamatsu, but it wasn't the shortest. I found this one in Roppongi Hills, but unfortunately it wasn't the shortest escalator either. So I kept asking around and I found out that the world's shortest escalator is in Kawasaki. Now I live in Tokyo, which is in Kawasaki, but it's just a few train stops away from here. But you know what? That would make a really short video. So I'm going to throw in some extra things to make it a little fun, and then we'll get to the world's shortest escalator. First, let's blow past Kawasaki and go right to Yokohama. Why Yokohama? Good question. They have a spiral escalator that I want to show you. Cue up montage. You could spend a whole day or two shopping and eating at Landmark Plaza, but I went there to see the circular escalator. The spiral escalator can be found on the third floor of Landmark Plaza. It was installed by Mitsubishi. Currently, Mitsubishi is the only company that can install spiral escalators, and there are several of these around the world. This spiral escalator is actually one continuous escalator that goes up and then back down. Gotta do that again. Let's go down. This is definitely the coolest escalator in the world. I hear there are longer ones, like in Las Vegas or maybe Dubai, but this is the first time I've ever seen one like up close and in real life, and it's really cool. Now it's time to go check out the world's shortest escalator. To do that, we need to go to Kawasaki. Cue up montage. Okay, so now I'm at Kawasaki Station. We're looking for Moore's department store. If you came from the KQ line, you're in luck. It's really close. If you come by JR, it's a little bit of a walk. Look for the Central East exit. Go under the Jumbotron. Go down the escalator. At the bottom of the escalator, you'll see Atre on your left, Krispy Kreme on your right. Resist the urge. Look for the Azalea sign. Go down another escalator, and at the bottom, depending on time of year, you'll see a market. On your left, you'll see Uniqlo, not Uniqlo. Congratulations, you're halfway there. Take a left and go down the long hallway. Now, if you see exit 39, you've gone too far. Look for exit 29. Okay, I found it. That's not it. It's right there. Seriously, this escalator holds the world record for the shortest escalator. Now, as far as accessibility, you still gotta get up the stairs to use it. World's shortest escalator right here. There it is.